Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the metal and non-metal. We can see the 20 MCQ question which are the most important. First, which of the following is a metal? Option A, sulfur. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, sodium. Option D, carbon. So the correct answer will be sodium. Sodium is the metal which found in the S block. Carbon are found in P block. Phosphorus and sulfur also found in the P block. Now we see question number second. Which metal is stored in kerosene? First, iron. B, copper. C, sodium. D, aluminum. The correct answer will be sodium. Sodium is the metal which is stored in the kerosene oil because the sodium react with the air and form the sodium oxide because sodium is more reactive element. Now we see question number third. Which of the following is a good conductor of the electricity? Here we want to tell you about the good conductor of the electricity. The option A, rubber. Option B, plastic. Option C, wood. Option D, copper. The correct answer will be copper. Copper is a good conductor of the electricity. Now we see the question number 4. Non-metal are generally option A, malleable. B, ductile. C, bad conductor of heat. D, lustrous property. The correct answer will be C. So non-metal are generally bad conductors of the heat and utilize the electricity. In the non-metal not flow the current or not flow the heat. So option C is correct. Now we see question number 5. Which of the following is brittle? Option A, sodium. Option B, iron. Option C, phosphorus. Option D, copper. So their question is which of the following is brittle? So correct answer will be the option C is correct, phosphorus. Phosphorus is shows the brittle property. Now we see the question number 6. Which metal is the lightest? Option A, aluminum. Option B, lithium. Option C, sodium. Option D, calcium. So they are the metals which is the lightest, low weight, that is lithium. So option B is correct. Now we see question number 7. Metal react with acid to produce option A, oxygen gas. Option B, hydrogen gas. Option C, nitrogen gas. Option D, sodium hydroxide. The correct answer will be hydrogen gas. This reaction we can see to Na react to HCl form to NaCl plus release hydrogen gas. So you can see the release gas is the hydrogen gas. So option B is correct. Now we see question number 8. Which non-metal is essential for the respiration? Option A nitrogen gas, option C B carbon, option C oxygen, option D sulfur. The correct answer will be oxygen gas. Correct answer oxygen gas. Now we see question number 9. Which metal is liquid at the room temperature? We want to know the metal which is the liquid form at the room temperature. The first option sodium, second option potassium, third option mercury, fourth option magnesium. The correct answer will be option C is correct. Mercury. Mercury is the metal which are found in the liquid form at the room temperature. Now we see question number 10. Which of the following is lustrous? Option A sulfur, option B coal, option C copper, option D phosphorus. So we can see option C is correct. Copper is the metal which shows the lustrous properties. Now we see the question number 11. Which non-metal is used in the fertilizers? Option A carbon, option B nitrogen, option C helium, option D neon. The correct answer will be nitrogen is the non-metal which used for the fertilizer. In the fertilizer, you are use the nitrogen gas. Now question number 12. Which metal is used in making the electrical wire? Option A magnesium, option B aluminum, option C sodium, option D carbon. The correct answer will be B is correct. Aluminium is the metal which used for making the electrical wire. Now we see the question number 13. Which gas is released when a metal reacts with water? Oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas. The released gas will be the hydrogen gas. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. Question number 14. Which of these metal is most reactive? Here we want to most reactive metals. About the most reactive metal. R iron, R copper, R zinc, R potassium. So here we can see potassium is the metal which are most reactive metals. Question number 15. Which non-metal is used in the pencil? Sulfur, graphite, chlorine, hydrogen. The correct answer will be B is correct. Graphite is a non-metal which used in the pencil. Now question number 16. Galvanization is the process of coating iron with option A zinc, option B copper, option C silver, option D gold. The correct answer will be the zinc. Zinc is the metals which use the galvanization is the process of the coating iron with. Now question number 17. Non-metal form dot oxide. Option A basic oxide, option B acetic oxide, option C neutral, option D salty. The correct answer will be the acetic oxide. So option B is correct. Now question number 18. Which metal does not react with water? Option A magnesium, option B copper, option C potassium, option D sodium. The correct answer is copper. Copper is a metal which does not react with the water because in the reactivity series copper are found behind the hydrogen. So copper is less reactive than the hydrogen. So copper does not react with water. So correct answer is B. Now question number 19. Which metal is used in the thermometer? Option A mercury, option B aluminum, option C zinc, option D iron. The correct answer will be the mercury is the compound which used in the thermometer and measure the temperature of the any other object. Today we see the last question as a 20. Which of the following is non-metal? We want to know which of the following is non-metal. Option A zinc, option B iron, option C magnesium, option D sulfur. The correct answer will be sulfur. Sulfur is the compound which is not metal. It means sulfur is non-metal compound. Sulfur is non-metal compound. So thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to see the good question properly. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much nice.